Assalamualaikum friends, you are watching my YouTube channel Malik Technical. First of all, I welcome you all on my YouTube channel Malik Technical. Today I am here with a new amazing token site which name is Polycoin. It is very amazing coin and you can earn a huge profit in future. Polycoin is very beneficial for you if you can invest this coin. I can also give full review of this coin and we also discuss about their features and their benefits and all necessary information that you have in your mind. I want to tell you before starting my review that they are starting their pre-sale in 56 minutes. In their pre-sale, they offer a huge benefits for their holders, for their buyers. So let's go and buy their token if you have interest in this token. So see my complete video without skipping because it is very beneficial for you. Before starting my video in details, I request you all to subscribe my YouTube channel and press the bell icon to see my every videos first. So I give you a little introduction about what is Polycoin. Polycoin is a community-driven DeFi coin. Polycoin is a reward-giving DeFi coin and Polycoin is a fair-launched DeFi coin. So here you can see their fair launched count down, and that is 55 minutes remaining and 6 seconds. So after this we discuss about their white paper. um, of, if you want to get information in details regarding their projects, so you need to download the white paper in details. Here you will find out each and every answers of your questions that you have in your mind. For example, if you want to get information about the Polycoin, so here you can see the white paper. The Polycoin is a community driven by non-smart chain contract. Our goal is to build an entire ecosystem around the Polycoin with the help of each and every one of you. All paths are open to us and you as a valuable member of our community decide in regular words where the journey should go. Our team is working hard every day and with the combined power of our constantly growing community, we will prove that in the whole float of shitcoins there are still serious projects that will achieve great things together with their community. So after this, we also discuss about their tokenomics. And the Polycoin has big goals and will achieve bigger things with you. In order to offer you, our loyal holders and supporters, even more financial value as a gratitude, our token is characterized by 3 value creating features. After this, we discuss about their rewarding. You as a loyal holder of our token will be regularly rewarded to be precise with every trade that is made. A tax is deducted from each trade which is distributed to the holders depending on the number of tokens held. So every day you can watch the number of tokens in your wallet grow exponentially. So after this we also discuss about their deflationary. Everyone knows that the still state of inflation where money is worth less and less over time. Our token is deflationary, which means that the supply of tokens decreases with each rate, whereby through simple economic theory the token automatically increases in value without you having to do anything. This value creating method works by burning a small portion of the supply at the launch of the token, making the burn address the top holder of the token in conjunction with the rewarding system described above. Each rate sends a portion of the token to the burn address, thus burning it forever. After this, we also discuss about their staking. in order to provide you, our loyal holder, with another form of value enhancement. The staking function Polystake will be implemented in the near future. This will allow you to maximize your return in addition to the rising price and the other value creating features of Polycoin that have already been mentioned. So after this we discuss about their auto LP. To close the circle of the value creating community token, liquidity is automatically deposited in the liquidity pool with every trade. This ensures that you can trade the token at any time and to counteract major price fluctuations. Of course, the liquidity is also locked in order to prevent the slightest possibility of complications from the outset. So after this we discuss about their ecosystem. With your help and involvement we will build an entire ecosystem around the Polycoin. As part of the community you will not only be able to vote on which goal which will be realized next, but also to contribute your own ideas. This close connection to our community is always our first priority. For the beginning, the team has already compiled a small selection of startup possibilities to be realized. Then we discuss about their NFT marketplace. NFTs, non-fungible tokens, are unique, replicable cryptographic tokens held in a wallet. They are the works of art of the 21st century and therefore cannot be missing on our list. The creation of an NFT marketplace is the focus of the Polycoin project and will therefore be one of the first major milestones. The goal here is to serve the every growing market with an as simple as possible marketplace to connect the largest possible number of artists with the art fans of today. So after this we discuss about their smartphone app. Since we have a long time app developer in the team, some sub projects will be realized in the form of an app. This enables countless possibilities of different use cases which will be realized with the involvement of the community. Then we discuss about their lottery orbiting. Everyone knows the nice feeling of winning money, which is why this feature cannot be missing in the Polycoin ecosystem. To give you, our loyal holder, the chance to get the thrill of getting even more money in addition to all the value creating features of Polycoin, the Polybit platform is being developed. Currently, the following betting games are on the agenda. And number one is weekly lottery, in which every holder automatically participates without any costs. Number two is other daily lotteries, for which you can buy tickets exclusively with Polycoin's normal mode plus try hard mode. Number three is a new way of bidding, the so-called Polybit wheel. More infos will follow. Be excited. More exciting games will follow over time. Then we discuss about their mini games. With all the seriousness you encounter every day, there has to be some fun. Therefore, some mini games are developed for your relaxation. Small tournaments with a prize pool, all of course also on our list. These are the ideas that will be discussed extensively with you, the community, and decided together. Of course, we all are always open for new ideas and like to listen to everyone. Supply. Most of the supply belongs to you, the backbone of our project, the community. You are our daily motivation to add one more feature to make this one thing even better, and therefore the biggest part of the supply belongs to you. At launch, 25% of the token will be burned forever to enable the steady value creating deflation described above. The marketing wallet is used exclusively for advertising for us and holds 3% of the total supply. This is used to fund our elaborate marketing plan, which includes advertising on social media as well as crypto related websites. So the more you buy, the more of the plan can be realized and more people will get to know about this project and especially about our great community. Our team works hard every day to achieve our community driven goals alongside their 9 to 5 jobs. Therefore, each developer has been given a wallet with a tiny supply to reduce the odds of their current job if necessary, or even quite in order to dedicate every motivated hour of the day to our beloved project. At the end, we just want to say thank you. Without you, this project would not be possible, which is why you and your needs are always in our focus. Together, we will be the number one community token. So here you can discuss about their white paper tokenomics. So after this, we can discuss about their roadmap. Here you can see their roadmap, which has different phases. So we discuss it. November 2021 launch phase, Polycoin the beginning. This month is very exciting. The final work for the launch is proceeding as planned and Polycoin will be launched on schedule at the beginning of November. In the meantime, our developers continue to work diligently on the ecosystem which will be created with you, our community and Polycoin. December 2021 first marketing phase. Polycoin make it popular. In December, the focus is exclusively on making Polycoin popular. In order to achieve this goal as well as possible, the team has already set up a multi-stage marketing plan. This plan starts here in a first phase, which initially focuses on the presence on crypto-related sites. For this purpose, advertising banners will be placed on a lot of well-known crypto sites such as PooCoin, CoinHunt, CoinSnipper, and many more. At the same time, we expect the applications at CoinMarketCap and CoinGecko are getting accepted. January 2022 second marketing phase plus more. Polycoin going forward. The next marketing phase will start in January. After Polycoin has been steadily present on crypto related sites, the social media presence will now be expanded as well. For this purpose, cooperations with various influencers on platforms such as Twitter, YouTube, and Instagram will be established. In addition, the developers of other projects will be contacted in order to work together towards a better crypto affine tomorrow. February 2022 third marketing phase plus marketplace beta. Polycoin first step towards the ecosystem. In February, the Polycoin NFT marketplace Polychange beta will be released, which is also the first and most important step towards the overall goal of the Polycoin ecosystem. In addition, the third and longest phase of the marketing plan will start. The goal of this phase is to maintain a steady presence on crypto related sites as well as social media, and others are coming soon. Here you can see that. So after this, you can you can see that frequently asked questions. Frequently asked questions basically are those questions everyone you should have in their mind if they want to purchase or if want to buy their tokens. Frequently asked questions are: number one is, when will the launch be? Where can I buy Polycoin? Number third is, what is Polycoin about? And number fourth is, what is the plan for Polycoin. This is the frequently asked questions. So this is my video. I thanks to all to see my complete video. At the end of my video, I recommend you all to follow and subscribe their social medias if you have interest, or if you have to invest their sites. You can follow on Twitter and Telegram. So again, thanks to see my complete video. Allah Hafiz.